Hello guys! So welcome to my channel, Searching Math TV. At kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking YouTube channel, pakihit na ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking next video lesson. Our lesson for this day is all about the combined variation. So what is combined variation? Combined variation is the kind of variation that involves both the direct and inverse variation. The statement y varies directly as x and inversely as z, then y equals kx over z. So let's proceed to example. Example. Translate the following relation as equation using the given variable and k as the constant of variation. Number 1. A varies directly as B and inversely as C. So, ang gagawin natin dito, so write natin yung unang variable. So, we have A equals, sabi dyan, varies directly as B. Ibig sabihin, A varies directly as B. So, we have KB and inversely as C. Ibig sabihin, over C. Number 2, D varies directly as E and inversely as F. So, write natin yung unang variable. So, we have D equals, sabi, varies directly as E. So, we have K E and inversely as F. So, over F. Example number 3. A varies directly as the square of B and inversely as a cube of E. So we have A equals, sabi dyan, A varies directly as the square of B. May word tayo dyan na square. Gagawin mo natin, so write natin to. So we have A equals K, B. Eh, may word tayong square. So, ibig sabihin, yung B na to, lalagyan natin ng square. And then, sa ilalim, and inversely as a cube of E. So, ibig sabihin, so we have E, tapos meron tayong cube. So, the answer is equal to A equals KB square over E cube. So, let's proceed to computation. Answer the following. Number 1, C varies directly as x and inversely as y and z equals 4 when x equals 6 and y equals 3. Find y when z equals 6 and x equals 15. So, solution. So, write natin yung equation ng variation. So, sabi dyan, C varies directly as x. So, we have C equals K X and inversely as Y. So, over Y. So, ngayon, i-write natin yung mga given values. So, sabi dyan, C equals 4, X equals 6, and Y equals 3. Solve natin yung value ng K. So, we're going to solve for K. C equals, write natin, Kx over Y. So, by substitution, so we have C equals 4 equals, so K, so ang value ng X natin is 6 over value ng Y. So, we have 3. Babasa pa ba? So, we have 4 equals, so 6 divided by 3. So, we have 2 times K. So, we have 2K. Then, solve for K. Divide both equation by 2 para makancel si 2. So, matira. So, we have K equals 4 divided by 2. So, K equals 2. And sabi rito, so ang hinahanap natin, so find y. So when z equals 6 and x equals 15. So balik tayo dun sa original equation. Okay, so we have solve for y. So nangyayari, so we have z equals kx over y. So by substitution, so balik natin yung dito. So we have 6 equals, yung bali ng k natin ito, so 2 multiply by x. Ang x natin dyan ay 15. Then over y. So we have 6 equals 2 times 15. So we have 30 over y. So ang nawawala ay si y. So gawin natin itong whole number. Lagyan yung denominator na 1. Kaya natin equal sign sa gitna. So by cross multiplication, so multiply nyo doon, multiply nyo doon. So y times 6. So we have 6y equals 1 times 30. So we have 30. And divide both equation by 6. Para makancel si 6, matira si y. So y equals 30 divided by 6. So is equal to, y equals to 5. So that's the final answer. Example 2. If y varies directly as A and inversely as B, and y equals 20, when A equals 60 and B equals 6, find y when A equals 96 and B equals 16. Solution. So first, we're going to rewrite the equation of variation. So y varies directly as A and inversely as B. So means y equals Ka over B. So after that, so rewrite the given values. So we have y equals 20, A equals 60, and B equals 6. By substitution, so palitan natin itong y ng 20 kasi y equals 20. So mangyayari, magiging 20 equals, then yung bali ng a natin, so a is 60, tapos yung k, wala namang k. We're going to solve for k. So we have k times 60. So over, yung bali ng b natin, so which is 6. So we have 6. Then after that, so gagawin natin, kung pwedeng i-divide ito, simplify natin. Pero kung hindi naman, retain lang natin siya as fraction. And gawin natin tong fraction parehas, katulad nung example natin nung mga previous lesson. So since pwedeng simplify, so mangyayari, so magiging 20 equals 60 divided by 6, so we have 10 times k, so we have 10k. So after that, kailangan k na lang matira kasi we're going to solve for the constant of variation. So divide both the equation by 10. So cancel yung 10, matitira ay k. So k is equal to 20 divided by 10, so we have 2. Okay, balik tayo dun sa may given example. Sabi dyan, find y when a equals 96 and b equals 16. So we're going to solve for y. Hindi natin. Solve for y. When a equals 96 and b equals 16. Ayan, kumasya pa. So write natin yung equation ng variation. So we have y equals Ka over b. Tapos, by substitution, yung value ng k natin is 2. Papalit natin doon sa k doon. So, nawawala rito ay yung value ng y. So, we have y equals, so, ang value ng k natin, palitan nyo itong k na to ng 2. So, 2 times value ng a, so we have 96. Then, over yung value ng b, so which is 16. So, mayari, maging y equals 2 times 96 is equal to 192. So, divide both, then divide by 16. So, y equals 192 divided by 16, so is equal to 12. So, that is the final answer. Mabuti.